All right, good morning, scientists. Today is day 3 of our gravity unit experiments. So what we're doing today is we're going to watch 3 experiments. We have 3 different YouTube videos here to watch. And if you can, I want you to try these out at home as well. See if you can get the same results, or if your results are different, and if so, why. The very first video is called Falling Objects, and in this activity, the narrator has 2 different balls, one that's very heavy and one that is light, and he drops them at the same time. So which one do you think is going to hit the ground first, the heavy ball or the light ball? Think about it real quick before you watch the video and make your prediction, and then see if you're correct. The second experiment is a water drop activity. And in this one, you'll need either a paper cup or a plastic cup. You'll poke a hole near the bottom of the cup, cover the hole with your finger and fill it up with water. And you're going to try dropping this, do this over a sink. Dropping this and seeing which comes out first. Does the water inside come out before the cup hits the sink? Or does the cup hit first and the water comes second? Or do they both fall at the same time? Think about that before you watch the video, and then see what happens. And then see if you have those items at home, see if you can duplicate that as well. The third activity, largest vacuum drop. This one is not one you can demonstrate at home, okay? But you can do the opposite of this at home. I'll talk to you about that in just a second. In this video, they're using NASA's largest vacuum chamber on Earth. And so what they have is this big room where they suck all the air out of it. So there's no air resistance. And then they're going to test dropping things. Now, this isn't what NASA uses it for. NASA uses this giant room to test their new spacecraft before they go into space, because space is a vacuum. There's no air there. And so that's what this room's used for. So when you're watching this, think about that. But also think about what happens when there's no air. And it gives you some really important understanding of gravity. Now at home, what you could do is you could try the opposite of this. Instead of trying to create a vacuum, use air to your advantage. Maybe you can make a parachute for something in your home, maybe a toy figure in your house, and see how a toy figure falls differently with the parachute and without the parachute, and see what we can learn there about air resistance, and gravity. So once you've watched these videos, and if you had a chance to try some of them out, then click on the experiment form. And again, I have the videos there, so you can watch those as you're answering the questions. I have 2 questions about the first video. The second video, the water drop, I have 1 question that goes along with that one. And then the third video, if you need to watch that again, then I have 2 questions that go along with that. Finally, at the end, how's everything going? Please let me know. Keep me up to date on anything I should know about. And stay safe. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.